To organize the apps screen or the app drawer on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, what you can do is you can, for example, press and hold your finger and then drag the app anywhere you wish it to be. You can even leave these gaps over here. It doesn't really matter if they happen to be here because you can just position these apps almost anywhere you wish to. However, in addition to that, we can of course create folders. You can press and hold your finger on the first app and then drag it on top of the other in order to add a folder. We also have some customization options. You can also press and hold in order to press select, and now if you keep selecting apps, you can create a folder like this, as you can see over here. And if you happen to remove the folder, then every app will still be in the apps screen. They just don't get uninstalled or something. In addition to that, we have these three dots in the bottom right corner where we can press clean up pages so that every empty space will be actually filled with an app, like as you can see over here. And then if you like the change, then you can press apply, or you can cancel to revert that change. You can also go to sort in order to choose alphabetical order, and this allows you to have a single list with apps sorted alphabetically. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.